probably heard of life hacks that make your life so much easier. Today, we'll be talking about university hacks that will improve your time management, planning, and preparation at McGill University. Whether you're a freshman at McGill this fall or a continuing student, you're surely going to find something useful. Watch until the end to learn about McGill University tips and tricks. If you care about efficiency and productivity at McGill, you've got to check out McGill Enhanced, a Chrome extension made by Reddit user CostDev that gives you access to registering for your classes in just one click, assessing the difficulty of classes from crowdsourced averages, and a schedule downloader that you can import to Google Calendar. Let's say I'm a first-year science student who wants to plan my courses. The first thing I do is to check out the most updated McGill University freshman program webpage. As it says here, I have two options. The first is to pick 2 courses from the math department and 4 courses from the biology, chemistry, or physics department. The second option is to pick 3 courses from the math department and 3 courses distributed between the biology, chemistry, or physics department. Let's say I don't really know which math course to take. Then one of the factors I'll use in my decision is the class averages tool. I'll simply click on the link and scroll down to see the class averages. This is super useful to get an idea of the general difficulty of the class. But of course, there are a lot of individual differences, so it doesn't mean that a class with an A average will be easy for you, and a class with a C average will be super difficult for you. It really depends on the person, but this tool is really useful nevertheless. After you've figured out your classes by going to the freshman program requirements and talking to your advisor, you'd probably want to check out a visual schedule. To do this, go to the Visual Schedule Builder, choose your term, and type in the course code. On my screen is the typical first term schedule for you neuroscience students. You can scroll through the different schedule options that fit your lifestyle. A tip would be to not schedule 2 labs on one day or all of your 5 classes on one day. It can get pretty tiring. But like always, everyone's different, so just do what works for you. You also probably noticed that some of the classes are already full. Don't fret, because people are going to drop for sure. At McGill, we have around a 2-week period where you can add or drop your classes without any penalty on your transcript or your wallet. Check the McGill e-calendar for the specific date because this varies by term. If you'd like, you can use a website called Get a Seat, which was created by Noah Laxdane. Or you can check out the free equivalent, which is called McGill Tools, which notifies you when a spot opens up. Then you can register for the classes on Minerva, but you have to be pretty fast because it's first come, first serve. If you like these tips so far, please take a second to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Now, back to the video. Okay, so we've talked about academics, but what about student life and wellness at McGill? I've partnered with Simplify McGill, which is a website that provides tips on various topics like residence hall, off-campus housing, and things to do around Montreal. For example, if you're curious about which residence you should live in, read their article that compares and contrasts the atmosphere, living style, and characteristic of each res. This is a valuable resource I wish I knew as a freshman at McGill University, so check them out in the link below. My next tip addresses one of the most frequently asked questions among first years. The question is, what should I major in if I want to go into law school, med school, or dent school, you name it? The answer is that your major doesn't matter in North America at least. So pick a major you enjoy and that provides you with some transferable skills relevant to your intended goal. Thank you for your time and let me know in the comments below which tip that you found the most helpful. If you'd like even more tips, also let me know and I'll be happy to make a whole series of McGill related videos. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to support this channel. See you in the next video!